How do you stop banging noises from your hot water heater? Imagine waking up to a loud banging noise coming from your water heater. It can be startling and make you wonder what's going wrong. No worries though, because most of these sounds are caused by simple issues you can fix. The most common reason for banging noises is sediment buildup inside the tank. Over time, minerals like calcium and lime settle at the bottom, creating a layer that traps water underneath. When the heater heats up, the water boils and forms steam bubbles. These bubbles struggle to escape through the sediment, causing knocking or banging sounds. To fix this, you need to drain and flush the tank. Turn off the power or gas supply first, then wait for the water to cool down. Attach a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the tank and open it. Let the water and sediment drain out until the water runs clear. Refill the tank, turn the power or gas back on, and the noise should stop. Doing this once a year helps prevent sediment from building up again. Sometimes, loose parts inside the heater can cause banging. Check for loose or vibrating components like the gas valve or rubber diaphragms. Tighten any loose fittings carefully, but avoid over-tightening. If parts are worn or damaged, replacing them can quiet the noise. Rust or corrosion inside the tank can also cause banging, especially if the heater is over 10 years old. Rust weakens the tank structure and can lead to loud noises. If corrosion is severe, replacing the entire water heater is often the best choice. Another issue could be the anode rod, a metal rod inside the tank that prevents rust. If it's worn out or broken, rust can form faster, causing noise. Replacing the anode rod is a simple and inexpensive fix. Excessive water pressure or temperature fluctuations can also cause banging sounds. If the thermostat or gas valve isn't working right, it can create pressure changes inside the tank. Installing a pressure-reducing valve or fixing the thermostat can help. If you try these steps and the banging continues, it's best to call a professional plumber. They can check for deeper problems like internal corrosion, pressure issues, or faulty parts. They'll know exactly what to do to keep your water heater running quietly. Regular maintenance, like flushing the tank and inspecting parts, is the best way to prevent these noises from coming back. Remember, a well-maintained water heater not only keeps the noise down but also lasts longer and works more efficiently.